I'm here at the truck stop. It's 6:55 a.m. The sun is barely starting to come out. It's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm here in Redding, California. I will be home tonight. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. Doesn't it look like a beautiful day? This truck near me, they have a reefer. So I don't know if you can hear it, but their reefer in their truck is loud. It's a beautiful day. The freeway's just on the other side of that truck. So I'm leaving here in about an hour. And yesterday the weather was good in Weed. So I'm hoping that the weather stays good. I haven't checked it today. Just wanted to share the beautiful sky. I think the clouds look pretty cool. I see one star far away. I know you guys can't see it, but I can see one star way over there. There's all these trucks. I wonder how this person is sleeping in there, or if they went to a hotel. I know there's a hotel here. I'm at the TA. I know there's a little hotel. There's somebody walking. Hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe.